If you're encountering a catalog sync error on SAP Commerce Cloud 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check error logs. Review the error logs in your SAP Commerce Cloud environment. Look for specific error messages related to catalog synchronization to identify the root cause of the issue. Step 2. Verify catalog configuration. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Restart the sync process. If the error persists, try restarting the catalog synchronization process. You can do this through the backoffice or HAC by selecting the appropriate catalog and initiating the sync again. Step 4. Clear cache. Sometimes cache data can cause sync issues. Clear the cache in your SAP Commerce Cloud environment by navigating to the Cache Management section and selecting the relevant caches to clear. Step 5. Update and rebuild. If none of the above steps work, consider updating your SAP Commerce Cloud version and rebuilding your project. This can resolve underlying issues that may be causing the sync error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the catalog sync error efficiently. If problems persist, consider reaching out to SAP support for further assistance.